How's it going, everybody? Ron Rudman here from Clean Equipment Manufacturing South Africa. We had Electra mining today. Seems to be a very, very beautiful day, especially one of the days at one of the shows where we get to showcase one of our brand new designs that we've been working on over the past 12 months. So this new universal autonomous frame is great to be used between our diesel and petrol range of machines. The nice thing about this new model is that we can put much bigger machines, much bigger powerhouses, bigger engines. And what does this mean? Ultimately, we can now run at pressures of 500 bar, 350 bar, different flow rates, 25 liters, 30 liters, 41 liters. So a real game changer for the mining industry and actually for any real industrial application. Now the one in front of us that we have here today is what we refer to as the PWP 5015. So it stands for 500 bar at 15 liters per minute. We've got a nice 31 horsepower Vanguard V-twin engine running this 500 bar pump. We are using one of our house pumps. We refer to them as the CEMSA pumps. As you all would know, one of these machines comes standard with its actual gun. On this flow rate, we've opted for a quarter meg 25 degree nozzle. Right, on most of our 500 bars, generally we do opt for a rotary nozzle. You can also purchase a rotary nozzle for this machine as an add-on extra. Again, 10 meter hose does come standard as well with the machine. So this is a, in a sense, plug and play machine. Now, ultimately, we have opted for the gearbox drive, which has kept the whole design nice and compact. As a lot of people would know, when you do go up to bigger engines, you generally have to go up onto belts or a direct drive with a coupling. Now, with the gearbox, it just adds so much more versatility for us, and of course, a new edge. Now, with these units as well, a very big thing for us was where would we put a fuel tank, because most of the fuel tanks on the market, they look quite, how can I say, out of place on the machine, like they were just put there from a generator application or whatever application the last frame was pulled from. Now, if we follow to the back of the machine, you'll see that the fuel tank has been designed for this machine, actually sandwiched in between the two plates. This adds a whole bunch more versatility for us, and also it solves our design dilemma that we had ultimately at the end of the day. If you follow me around this side, nice 50 micron steel filter, easily accessible for your daily maintenance. And as you go, we have mounted the unloader valve off of the pump itself, and this is to help us with things like cavitation and harmonics that will generally be created in the engine, followed through via the shaft into the pump, and ultimately dissipate within the high pressure hose. Thank you very much for listening to what I have to say about our new PWP and universal frames. Have a good one.